KLM has 13 Boeing 787-9s in its fleet. The company is based at Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. Boeing ran a contest around the world in 2003 to come up with the name Dreamliners for these planes. This type of plane was added to KLM's service in 2015. The Dreamliner doesn't have any trouble going far because this type is very cheap. This plane can fly up to 8,500 nautical miles, which means the 787-9 can fly even the longest route, from New York City to Bangkok. All of the KLM 787-9 Dreamliners have a flower name on them. Carnation, lavender, bougainvillea, dahlia, mimosa, jasmine, lily, marguerite, morning star, tulip, and orchid came after sunflower. Just 100 days before KLM turned 100, the first Boeing 787-10, which was called Orangebloesem, landed at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. The 787-10 is the second type of Dreamliner that KLM has added to our fleet. This Boeing is a longer form of the 787-9, so it can hold more people. KLM also gave these Dreamliners flower names, like Impatiens walleriana, Snowdrop, and Hyacinth. In the meantime, KLM is using 10 Boeing 787-10 planes and has orders for 5 more. Economy class, premium comfort class, and business class are the 3 different types of seats on a KLM Dreamliner. Any KLM plane has a class called economy. Only bigger planes that go farther have premium comfort class and business class. The Dreamliners too. KLM also uses the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A330 for long flights, in addition to the Dreamliners. KLM wants to get rid of both the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A330 soon. It's likely that the Dreamliner will take the place of these planes. The Airbus A350 is still being looked at, even though KLM will soon say where the decision has finally been made. So maybe KLM's beautiful colors will be on more Dreamliners.